Are you tired of confusing diets that leave you hungry, frustrated, and more confused than ever? What if eating only meat could actually help you lose weight, boost energy, and improve your health? Sounds crazy, right? Well, let's dive into the controversial world of the carnivore diet and find out why it's making waves. The carnivore diet is as simple as it gets. You eat meat and only meat. That's it. No vegetables, no fruit, no grains, no sugar, just animal products. It's bold, it's extreme, and it's completely opposite to what most of us have been taught. So why are so many people swearing by it? In this video, I'm breaking it all down: what the carnivore diet is, how to start, what to eat, and whether this meat-only approach could work for you. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly if this diet is worth trying, or if it's just another fad. Diets are complicated. You've probably tried a few, right? Keto, paleo, intermittent fasting, calorie counting. It's exhausting. Each one has its own set of rules, forbidden foods, and annoying calculations. And after all that effort, the results? Meh. Here's where the carnivore diet flips the script. It eliminates the guesswork. No macros, no food scales, just meat. Advocates claim it's a game changer for weight loss, gut health, mental clarity, and even autoimmune conditions. But skeptics say it's unhealthy, unsustainable, and downright dangerous. So who's right? At its core, the carnivore diet is exactly what it sounds like. You eat animal-based foods exclusively. That means meat, beef, pork, lamb, chicken, etc., fish and seafood, eggs, and some dairy, like butter and cheese if tolerated. That's the foundation. No plants, no sugar, no processed junk, just pure animal nutrition. Proponents believe humans evolved to thrive on meat-based diets, and some even argue plants are unnecessary, or worse, harmful. But wait, no fruits or vegetables? What about vitamins, fiber, antioxidants? We'll get to that in a second. But is it too good to be true? For many, the carnivore diet is about simplicity. There's no meal prepping or worrying about nutrient ratios, but more importantly, people claim incredible benefits like rapid weight loss, improved digestion, yes, even without fiber, more energy and mental clarity, reduced inflammation and joint pain, and relief from autoimmune issues. Take Sarah, a mother of 2 who tried carnivore after struggling with bloating and fatigue. Within a month, she was down 15 pounds, her energy skyrocketed. Her story isn't unique. Thousands of testimonials online tell similar tales. And many carnivore followers report no deficiencies after years on the diet. In fact, some people report better gut health without it. Here's where it gets interesting. The carnivore diet works in part because it eliminates processed foods and carbohydrates, 2 major culprits behind weight gain and chronic health issues. With no carbs to rely on, your body switches to burning fat for fuel, much like the ketogenic diet. And about fiber? Research shows you don't actually need it to have healthy digestion. Critics argue that cutting out entire food groups, like fruits and vegetables, is risky. They point to potential deficiencies in vitamin C, magnesium, and other nutrients. But here's the twist. Meat contains small amounts of these nutrients. The beauty of the carnivore diet is its simplicity. Here's a breakdown. Staples include beef like steaks and ground beef, pork such as bacon and ribs, and chicken thighs and wings. Seafood options are salmon, shrimp, and scallops. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein and nutrients. For dairy, you have butter, heavy cream, and cheese if you can handle it. And as a bonus, organ meats like liver provide a nutrient boost. Season your food with salt, and that's it. No fancy recipes needed. First, the transition period. Many experience the carnivore flu when starting. Think headaches, fatigue, and irritability as your body adapts to burning fat. Second, social challenges. Eating out can be tricky, and let's face it, people might give you strange looks when you say you don't eat veggies. Third, monotony. If you love variety, eating steak every day might get old. Lastly, unknown long-term effects. There isn't much research on the long-term safety of an all-meat diet. The carnivore diet is bold, unconventional, and not for everyone. But for those who've tried everything else and feel stuck, it could be worth exploring. It simplifies eating, eliminates processed junk, and might even solve lingering health issues. That said, it's important to listen to your body. If you try carnivore and don't feel great, it's okay to adjust or move on. Health is personal, and what works for one person might not work for another. If you're curious about trying carnivore or want more tips on improving your health, subscribe now and leave a reply below if you have tried the carnivore diet. I'll see you in the next video.